Hello friends, today we are going to be looking at how to upload videos on a Canva presentation. We have two simple ways to do it. First way is, you're going to come to left and find the upload button. You're going to click on that and you're going to select upload files here. You can choose your video from your files. Double click on that and the first way is done. Let's wait till it uploads the video. And there you go. Second way is, you can come to desktop and drag your videos here. And if you want to put it on your page, you just click on that and there you go. You can arrange the size of it. And there we go. We have a whole video on our presentation. Hope that I could help you. Thanks for watching. Take care.